Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Forerunner 55. To begin, power on your device by holding the light button for about 2 seconds. You'll navigate through the menus using the up and down buttons located on the left side of the watch. To select an option, press the Start/Stop button on the top right. If you need to go back, simply use the back button on the bottom right. Tracking your workouts is straightforward. From the main watch face, press the Start/Stop button to view your activity options. You can scroll through various activities such as run, treadmill, or bike using the up and down buttons. Once you've selected your activity, wait for the GPS signal to connect if you're outside. Then, press Start/Stop to begin and again to end your session. Personalizing your Forerunner 55 enhances your experience. Hold the up button from the watch face to enter the main menu. From there, select Settings to customize various aspects, including your watch face and the data screens displayed during activities. You can tailor data fields to show metrics like pace, distance, or heart rate. Additionally, set up helpful alerts for specific distances, times, or heart rate zones. To review your progress, sync your Forerunner 55 with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone using Bluetooth. The app provides detailed statistics for each activity, including distance, average pace, and heart rate data. You can easily track your fitness trends and monitor your improvements over time. Your watch can store up to 20 activities or 14 days of activity tracking data before needing to sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.